Namaste student. Today we're going to see the definition of relation and we'll try to understand what do you mean by relation. Okay, with the example. So here let's read the definition. A relation R from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B is the subset of the Cartesian product A and B. Let's try to understand with the help of example. So what they are saying. So you take set A as A, B, C. Okay, and set B you take as the name of the person, Miss Anu, Ali, Bittu, take Chandu and Deva. Okay, now what we're going to do, if we'll take the Cartesian product of A and B, then how many elements you will get? Total 15 elements. How sir? 3 5 15. So if we'll write them all, so it will take lots of time. I will write few here. A Anu, A Ali, A Bittu, A Chandu, and then you will continue with B Anu, B Ali, and so on. Total 15 element. Now this is your Cartesian product of A and B. Now we'll choose a set R, okay, such that this is the subset of AB, and here we have a relation between these two orders. That means there should be a relation between AB, A part and this part. Okay, so let's see how we're going to define this. Is your what roster from we are taking. So here, right here, X is the what first letter of the name Y, and here X belongs to P, not P, A, and Y belongs to B. Okay, then can you guess what will be the order period here? Yes, so let's write X means the first letter, that means A. Look at A Anu, first letter matching, so we'll take that all subset here. A Anu, A Ali, A B2. So here A and this is B, so it's not matching, so we'll not take this one. A C, A and C not matching, will not take. Okay, similarly if we go with the B, so see here B bit 2 will get, so we'll take B bit 2. Is there any more? Yes, B bit 2 after that. Yes, C Chandu, C Chandu. D is not there, will not go with that. So here we have 1 2 3 4. This is your what subset of this one. It is there, this part are there inside of this one, so this R is the subset of what A by B. So this is a relation, and we are making a relationship between the first element and the second element. So here second element have a name, is called image of the first element. What? Anu is the image of A. Remember, this is the image of first element. So if we'll collect this all element, so here if we'll go with this one, so this one is called domain. So which one? Set of first element of relation R, set. Okay, if we'll go with A, 2 times repeating, we'll take only one, B and C, A B C. Coincidentally both are same here. Coincidentally you can see that domain and this one domain and your set A are equal. It's not necessary that both will be equal. Remember, here domain means set of first element of ordered, here you can see the order period, first element. And the next one is range. Range means what, sir? Range means second element, set of all second element. So here Anu, Ali, Bittu and Chandu. You can see that Deva is not there. Okay, and if we go with the B set total, if we go with the B set, then we have the name for the B set. We don't have the name for A set, we have the name for B set. We call codomain. What we call codomain. In codomain, we may get an extra element. Okay, here Deva. So here we have the definition. So you can see that definition for domain: the set of all first element of order pair in a relation R from a set A to a set B. Similarly, you can see the definition for range: the set of all second elements of the order pair in the relation R from a set A to a set B. Now, relation can be represented in two ways. One is algebraical way and another is virtual. Not virtual, visual. So in visual, we have the name arrow diagram. We'll see this arrow diagram, and roster form and set builder form already we have seen in your set chapter. Okay, when we're going to do few problem, we'll go with this one also. So here now our target is a arrow diagram. So how are we going to represent this part in arrow diagram? So let's see, we're going to represent this one. This is your, okay, we have already here, this is your roster form. See, this is your roster form already we have here. This is roster form, and this one is a set builder form. You can see this one. Okay, now we're going to see which one, visual representation, that is arrow diagram. So here we're going to take one set. This is your P, not P, A, and this is your B. So in A is how many elements are there? A, B, C. And in B, who are there? Anu, Ali, Bittu. So here you can match Anu, Ali, Bittu, Chandu, and next is Deva. Now, so how will you going to represent this one with the arrow diagram? See here, A, Anu. So take a line. This is A, Anu. This is the arrow diagram. A, Anu. Next, A, Ali. A, Ali. Okay. Next is B, Bittu. B, Bittu. And C, Chandu. Leave it. We'll not do anything with this one. This is our representation of this set.